Across the UK, supermarket offers are leaping out on nearly every shelf. It's hard to resist the urge to spend money on tasty treats, especially in the run-up to Christmas. However, just as the weather outside, you cannot help but feel a chill when you look closely at how food poverty is impacting on a developed country. Since 2004, the Food Bank Network has been launched. They say they are trying to tackle the impact of hidden hunger within communities. The banks regularly collect all across the UK. Items they can accept include cereal and porridge oats, tinned and packet soup, fruit juice, pasta sauces, rice sponge pudding tinned, and custard. For a full list of items, see below. Currently, Cardiff Food Bank is needing Christmas goodies. These include UHT fruit juice, tinned sponge puddings, and chocolate and sweets for children. The food is dated and then sent off to warehouses, where it's distributed in food parcels for people who cannot afford to buy food. Often there are boxes similar to this one in the supermarkets when you can donate tins, etc. If you want to find out more about donating or just what Cardiff Food Bank is doing, then join the conversation by going on the Facebook page or searching on Twitter #EveryCanHelps.